Man, I don't know where to start. I hope my folks listed everything that they owned and they told someone how to go about finding this list. I got to do an inventory of their estate and I don't know how to begin. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Preparing an inventory of a decedent's estate is a critical step of the probate process. Someone has to identify and secure all assets in an estate. So when the time comes, they'll know what assets the estate has and where to find them. The inventory of a decedent's estate is how the overall value of an estate is determined. The inventory of an estate determines if an estate is solvent or insolvent. The inventory of the estate will tell you if the estate will be on the hook for any estate or inheritance taxes. So, how do you begin inventorying an estate? Start by taking a look at their real estate. That they own a house or houses, that they own apartments, that they own investment properties. Usually, a home or real estate is the most valuable thing most of us own. Determine what vehicles they own. Cars, RVs, boats, motorcycles. Take a look at all of those things and take inventory of all of those items. Look for any financial accounts the decedent had. Savings accounts, checking accounts, investment accounts, and other related money market accounts. Determine if they had any unpaid wages or commissions or any monies owed to them from private parties, friends, or other family members. Determine if there were any life insurance policies or annuities. If your loved one was a business person, determine if there were any business partnerships or business agreements. In addition to identifying and securing assets, you'll also need to identify any debts or judgments. All legitimate debts and judgments will have to be paid before any of the heirs or beneficiaries can receive their inheritance. If your loved one owned properties in multiple states, chances are each one of those properties will have to go through a probate process in order to transfer those titles. Once a probate petitioner has been granted authority over the estate, they'll be sent a state-specific inventory form. In the state of California, that's Form DE 160. A personal representative must complete that form in conjunction with the probate referee and return it to the court within a reasonable amount of time. Don't forget to include other valuable personal property like jewelry, expensive watches, valuable baseball card collections, and other collectible such as art. Some of the other inexpensive personal property is often sold at an estate sale. That's something you may want to consider. Question of the day. Have you ever been responsible for inventorying an estate? If so, what was that experience like? Let us know in the comments below. This video has been general information for a would-be personal representative on how to begin an inventory of an estate. I strongly recommend that if you are charged with that task right now, that you consult an experienced probate attorney on how to best approach the inventory process. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to contact me. Video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need an estate planning or probate attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to contact me for a referral.